Hey guys, welcome to the first video on this channel. In this video, I will show you how to scrap an iPhone, specifically an iPhone 6s. Most of the tips in this video can be applied to almost every other iPhone. There are many reasons why you would want to scrap an iPhone. One reason being that it's iCloud locked. There's no way around iCloud lock, so I just take the parts that are functioning out of the iCloud lock device and use them either to test another phone or to sell them on eBay. So without further ado, let's get into the video. The first thing I do is plug the iPhone into 3U tools. Once your device is connected, write down all the important information of the device, like the IMEI, battery, health, and storage. Now that I have written all the important information of the phone, I will start the disassembly. After powering off the device, I will take a 0.8 pentalobe screwdriver and remove screws located at the bottom of the device. Next, I will use a suction cup to lift up on the display, making a big enough gap for my pry tool to fit in. You may need some heat to soften the adhesive. Even using a bigger suction cup tool may help. Now with the pry tool, I will go around the edges of the display, lifting up as I go. Next, I will remove the 2 screws holding the metal plate that is covering the battery connector. With the plate removed, I can disconnect the battery. Moving towards the top of the device, I will remove the 4 screws holding the metal plate covering the display connectors. With the metal plate removed, I can disconnect the display. Next, I will unscrew the 2 Phillips head screws holding down the camera. Now I can go ahead and remove the camera from the phone. The main camera is usually the most valuable part of the phone when scrapping iPhones. When you have an iCloud locked phone, it is near impossible to test the camera, so I examine it for physical damage instead. This one in particular looks perfect and ready to sell. Anyways, let's move on with the rest of the disassembly. Now, I will remove the SIM tray with a SIM eject tool. Next, I will remove the Taptic engine. This is what produces the vibration when you receive a call or notification. Now enjoy a quick montage as I remove the logic board. Finally, the logic board can be removed from its frame. Now I tried removing the loudspeaker, but unfortunately one of the screws was stripped. Then I tried removing the battery, but the pull tabs broke. Anyways, let's finish taking apart the display assembly. I will remove the 2 screws holding the plate that is covering the home button. Now I can carefully disconnect the home button. Now I'll move to the top of the display and remove the bracket holding the ear speaker. Now I can gently remove the ear speaker. Now I won't disassemble the rest of the display because it's not worth it. Instead, I will sell it as is to somebody who can refurbish it. We have finally completed the disassembly. Let's go over the parts that I removed from the phone. We have the display, which I already mentioned. I will just sell it as is, and is worth about $12. We have the ear speaker, which is worth about $1.60. We have the SIM tray, which is worth about $2.50. Here we have the main camera, which goes for about $7. The Taptic engine, which goes for around $3. With the housing, I'm just going to throw it away. It's in horrible condition and the battery and loudspeaker are stuck in it, so it's not really worth anything to me. Here we have what I think to be is a Wi-Fi antenna. I don't know how much it goes for, maybe like $1. Lastly, we have the logic board and Touch ID. It is iCloud locked and I'll just sell it as is and it goes for about $12. Here's all the tools I used in the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.